Hey, I'm Jerry, your Clean Resources installation expert. Today I'll guide you through a few simple steps to properly install your IDC Series product, register it, and how to recycle your unit. Installation is the same for all units, but for demonstration purposes I'll be using the IDC 500. It's a little bit smaller and easier to work with in the video. Before we get started, let's get familiar with the main parts of the unit. First is the inlet. This is where you can connect up to 6 1/4-inch condensate lines. Second is the vent. As condensate enters through the inlet, the air is decompressed and exits through the vent. Third is the outlet and hose. After condensate is passed through the media, absorbing the oil and chemicals, clear water exits the unit. Last and essential is the recycle kit. Do not throw this away, please. You will need it in order to recycle the unit. Start by carefully cutting the zip tie that attaches the 3/4-inch rubber hose to the handle. Uncoil the hose and position it near a drain. This hose must stay flat. Do not allow the hose to kink or travel over other objects. Next, fill the unit with water through the vent until the water begins to drain from the outlet hose. Depending on the unit, it may take up to 60 gallons of water. Your unit is now primed. Failure to prime the unit will cause premature failure and void the warranty. To connect the compressor to the IDC unit, you will need 1/4-inch MNPT push-to-connect fittings and 1/4-inch poly tubing for each line. You can purchase these items from most local hardware or plumbing supply houses, or order them directly from Clean Resources by calling 800-566-0402. Remove one red plug from each line and replace it with a push-to-connect fitting. These only need to be finger tightened. Over-tightening the fitting will crack the plastic housing. With a clean cut to your poly tubing, simply insert into the push-to-connect fitting. Now that your installation is complete, it's essential to register your unit for both the warranty and recycling. From your phone, scan the registration QR code on the label and fill in the form. Or, from a computer, go to cleanresources.com and select Register from the menu at the top of the page. Enter your unit's serial number and click Search. A form will appear with some of the information pre-filled. Enter the remaining information and click the Submit button to complete your registration. You notice your discharge water has turned cloudy. This means your oil-water separator has reached the end of its life. Now what? Don't worry, we've got you covered. First, remove the condensate line from the inlet and replace the push-to-connect fitting with the red plug removed during the installation. Second, seal the unit by unscrewing the vent and screwing in the solid cap from the recycle kit. This will eliminate oil and water from escaping during shipping. Next, cut the 3/4-inch rubber hose about a foot from the outlet. Insert the plastic plug from the recycle kit into the hose and tap it in with a hammer to make sure it's secure. If you no longer have the recycle kit that was shipped with your unit, contact Clean Resources and we will send you a replacement. If you want to return the unit to Clean Resources for recycling, go to cleanresources.com and select Recycle from the menu at the top of the page to begin the RMA process. That's it! You're 100% EPA compliant. Guaranteed. If you still have questions, please reach out to us at cleanresources.com or call us 800-566-0402.